May I now request our esteemed principal, Professor Kanwal Gill ma'am, to kindly come forward and present the highlights of the academic year 2025-26.
As we mark here to mark the 42nd annual day of our institution, I'm delighted to share the journey of our growth, teamwork, and the key achievements over the academic year 25-26. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Lieutenant Governor Taranjeet Singh Ji Sandhu for graciously accepting our invitation and honoring with the presence as the chief guest today. His august presence has added immense prestige to our occasion. We extend a very warm welcome to the Honorable CM Madam Rekha Ji. This college belongs to you. She has visited our college a number of times and has always supported us with her vision. We also extend our sincere thanks to Sardar Manjinder Singh Ji Sirsa for gracing our annual day as a guest of honor. Sir, tusi sade apne hi ho. We are deeply grateful to our parent body, the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee, for its unwavering support in all our endeavors. We acknowledge the constant encouragement of Sardar Harmeet Singh Kalka Ji, the President, and Sardar Jagdeep Singh Kalu Ji, the General Secretary, DSGMC. DSGMC is a pillar of strength we are so proud of. We also sincerely appreciate the guidance and the commitment of our chairman, governing body, MPS Radha Ji, and Treasurer Sardar Gurinder Pal Singh Ji for the guidance and timely availability on college matters. It has been instrumental in helping us reach new heights. I'm equally thankful to the members of the governing body for their unwavering support, those who are sitting downstairs. I feel proud to present the brief annual report before the eminent guest, teaching and non-teaching faculty, and alumni, students, and dear parents. So I'm just going to start with faculty. Our faculty continue to make strong academic and research contribution this year, with 25 journal publications, carrying a combined impact factor of 34.2, including 11 papers in Scopus and Web of Science index journals. Alongside 20 book chapters, books, their academic leadership was further reflected in 19 research project engagements, 14 invited expert talks, and 21 conference presentations. I'm proud to share that 2 faculty members got promoted as professors, while 3 faculty members successfully completed their doctoral degrees. At college, we have established 3 centers to boost research, professional development, and entrepreneurial ecosystem among students and faculty. First is the Center of Excellence that has granted an award of Rs 1,55,000 to 11 post ecosystem for students-led enterprise, incubating over 25 startups, accelerating 6 ventures, and supporting 10 startups in the current cohort. Now let me come to the students' achievements. This year's academic record reflects commendable consistency across programs. I warmly congratulate the 75 students who secured the top 3 CGPAs across 7 undergraduate and 2 postgraduate courses. Of these, 28 students attained first position, 26 secured second position, and 21 achieved third position. Our placement record, notably 30 students recorded an outstanding CGPA of 9 or above, with the highest CGPA of 9.86 secured by Ms. Milandeep Kaur. Our placement outcomes have been equally encouraging, with 341 out of 601 registered students placed so far, and the highest package reaching to 25.08 lakhs offered by D. Shaw and Company. Our students are placed in Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Bannon Company, Deloitte, Mercer, KPMG, IT Hotels, City India, and I can just go on and on. The college has offered 884 internship opportunities this financial year, and the number is still rising. A total of 23 scholarships supported by the college, faculty, and alumni are being awarded today, with an endowment corpus of nearly 40 lakhs. In addition, the college extended financial aid and fee concession of over 13 lakhs to 61 students, reaffirming our commitment to inclusive and accessible education. I'm really, really grateful to our governing body members, Sardar H.S. Nagji, although he asked me not to speak, but I want to acknowledge his contribution publicly. He gave us a check of rupees 10 lakhs just 2 days back to be used for giving scholarships to the girl students coming from the humble background. Further, student life at the college continues to thrive through vibrant participation, creative initiative, and a strong culture of excellence. There are 40 student societies. This year, our student societies conducted 253 events, including 139 intra-college, 73 inter-college, 35 national, and 6 international events, reflecting the vibrancy and the scale of campus engagement. Our students also participated in 362 events across inter-college, national, intra-college, and international platforms, bringing home 152 prizes and medals, including 60 first positions, 53 second positions, and 26 third positions. The college Bhangla team delivered an outstanding performance, securing 7 first positions at various inter-college events. Further, Enactus was recognized with the first place at the Bhumi Ground Awards 2025. The 180DC SDTSC branch has received an honorable mention at Global Branch Awards 2025. In sports, our athletes won a gold medal at the University of Delhi athletics meet, while the chess team secured first position at IIT Delhi and a bronze medal at the Delhi University Inter-College Championships. Finally, I would like to place on record today that out of the 4 colleges being run by DSGMC, our college is the only college that specializes in commerce education and is the second best commerce college in Delhi University. The college admits students with very high CGPA and cutoff percentage for admission is very high in core subjects like commerce, economics, BMS, and computer science. We do lot of ragdai. And kisai bhi aise karne hain. And the result is that our students get admitted for masters in top universities of the world. Some universities, I'll just name very quickly, are London School of Economics, London School of Business, New York University, University of Waterloo, University of Southern California, British Columbia, University of Lisbon. And if we talk about Indian institutes, then our students are, they go for masters in IIFT, Delhi School of Economics, IIM Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Ranchi, Kozhikode, IIT Delhi, and so on and so forth. Now, numbers are very important for any institution, but equally important is the well-being and happiness of the students. We really want our students to be anxiety-free. For this, we have appointed an in-house counselor, and we'll be offering a new paper on science of happiness. Our parent body has signed an MOU with Reiki Foundation USA that helps and supports courses on science of happiness. We are already offering a course on art of being happy. The college is committed to its social outreach initiatives and has adopted 5 villages under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Now, this is an initiative by the Ministry of Education aimed in connecting academic institutions with rural communities to promote sustainable development. The 5 villages are Hedapur, Naharpur, Pootkhord, Kheda Khord, and Kerala. This is near Mundaka. Now, where the focus remains on identifying local challenges and implementing practical and impact-free solutions. Our achievements are so many, and the infrastructure we have built is excellent. It has become possible only due to the constant efforts of our parent body, DSGMC, and our governing body. In February 2026, the President, Harmeet Singh Kalkaji, inaugurated another state-of-the-art skill development lab center named Skillverse Lab for big data analytics for our students and faculty, both. Thank you, sir, for always being with us. In the last, I just want to recognize the special achievements of 3 students. Suraj Sharma was awarded the prestigious US CMA scholarship. Anshuman Kashyap became national level ski mountaineering athlete. Jigyasa Dhingra secured a silver medal at the state level and a bronze at the National Gatka Championships. As I conclude, our achievements are not individual, they are collective. They belong to our students, faculty, and our guiding institutions. Let's continue this journey together towards excellent innovation and meaningful growth. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this celebration. Have a good day. Thank you.